Alright, so got a call, no cooling. Here's what we got. 35 degrees, subcooling. Got clean air filters inside, good airflow, but I'm getting only a 7-degree split, and I can barely hear this compressor running. I mean, literally, you can't even hear the thing. I cleaned the condenser off a little bit. There's no water access, so I just use my pump sprayer. Caps are good. So I gotta get this thing a new fan motor. One way to tell is you can put your camera on. That's the 850. That's the 850. See the difference? And this one's at max amps. So take your clamp. .5. Rated for 0.5. Bunch of oil leaking out of the shaft bearing over there. So this one's gonna need a new condenser fan motor. Compressor amps, good. 6 amps, 7.5. Compressor's rated for 8.5. My suction line's cold, but I have no heat being rejected. So, get this thing a new condenser fan motor and see where we're at.